Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Matic video update. And Matic looks pretty fine right now, okay, and that is because of the generosity of Bitcoin right now moving to the upside. So something that is quickly right off the bat here on a 4-hour time frame, we are looking at three white soldiers at the moment. So your stop loss for Matic at the moment should be placed somewhere below this level. It's going to be 9029. So if you ever see Matic coming below that level, which can be a 4%, 4.4% risk right now, then in my opinion, that's going to be really, really bad. But there's something that I want to talk about here. Now, I was expecting Matic previously to actually dump and go all the way to 0.6 something, but those patterns didn't play out, okay? You're pretty much holding the support here, and you've actually finally break to the upside. So as long as you're holding support, you cannot go down, right? Now the thing is, I've noticed that you do have a left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder just right over there, okay? And this is a declining neckline at the moment. So my take about this one is that you're looking for Matic to potentially go for a technical target from there to there, and you're looking for this one to come up to the $1.2, and that's going to be a price increase of nearly 26% move to the upside. If I dive into the daily as well, just want to check it out. And we're on the verge of making bull crosses as well. Okay, so the market is looking pretty awesome once again right now, right? So we've already made the bull cross down here. We do have a bullish cross right there. Went up, came down, back tested the EMAs, and right now you're being held and supported by the 10 EMA at the moment. You've never pretty much lost the 10 EMA ever since you actually were back testing the 10 EMA, and right now you can see it's a pretty clear breakout in the daily time frame, and we're looking to shoot up for a 26% move to the upside. And that's it for today's Matic video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.